Hi, this is JD from Wix.com, AWD Wix, bringing you a short tutorial on how to add contact buttons, see more buttons, links to other pages, more or less. So you would just simply go to your site and log into Wix.com, then go to your site. Go to the editor, let it load. Okay, let's go down to here. We can delete that. All you have to do is right click on something like that and you can delete it. You can do that with your text. Also, you can do it with anything. Buttons. You just delete if you don't want. Now this here, we have it linked to the About page. So we got this read more. So all you do, let's copy that. So we'll go up here to add an element. Go to buttons. And it's not going to give me that button. Let's go with this button. We'll drag it over here. Say we're doing a whole new button. And delete that one. We'll use this one. And we're going to change that text to see more or read more. Let's go with read more. And then we're going to choose a link. So we want this to go, because it's an About Us section, I want it to go to more About Us. And I do have some right here, About, which takes them to another page. And that's pretty much it. You can design your button by going in here. First, it'll give you buttons that you already use. So like that read more one we had there, we could do that. You can still customize, so when you hover on it, you can do hover, change the color of the text in hover. You can put a different border on hover, like that. It's pretty simple. Once you have one button, it's usually the one you stick with through the whole site. So you know, it's pretty straightforward and simple. And just make sure you click Save and click Publish. And that's how you add links to a button. You can use that to go contact us to your contact page. Anything like that. So have a great day and stay safe and God bless.